Hey everybody, look what I found. Another one of those chainsaw sculptures by Mr. Freeman. And yes, made out of tree. With some of the most gorgeous scenery behind. Isn't that beautiful? Well, I'm in somebody's driveway right now, so I'm gonna keep going around to the front of this. And I'm sorry if it's a little bumpy. I'm standing at the base. That's pretty high. This portion of the tree is probably about, what, good 5 feet tall. Is that incredible? Oops. I'm coming across a fence. I'm trying to get to the front of this. Let's see if I can. Well, I think that's probably about as far as I can take you before we get to fence and I'm locked out. Just wonderful. Chainsaw sculptures, everybody. Pretty cool.